House Bill 174 passes, Kentucky voters would decide whether to change the state constitution, paving the way to allow public funds to be used for private school tuition.
WLKY's Mark Vanderhoff brings us the arguments from both sides.
House Bill 174 comes after Kentucky's Supreme Court struck down a 2022 school choice law, ruling that it was unconstitutional. The strategy now is to change Kentucky's constitution so that future school choice laws will hold up in court.
My son has recently discovered a love of math and I can just see him gravitating into an engineering field.
Leah Repko was among those who turned out in support of House Bill 174. If the bill passes, Kentucky voters will decide whether to change the state constitution to allow public funds to be spent on private school tuition.
It's about giving families like mine access to the educational opportunities they deserve and empowering them to make decisions that will have a lasting impact on their children's futures.
If the constitutional amendment passes, it would pave the way for new legislation, from scholarships to private school vouchers.
I'm actually glad that they overturned our previous bill, because our previous bill was constrained with what we thought we could do under restrictions that we think shouldn't have been in place. Now there are no restrictions. Now we can be robust.
But opponents worry that would lead to less funding for public schools.
I mean, there are fixed costs and variable costs, and one child going to another program doesn't change our fixed costs.
Democrat Tina Bojanowski is skeptical the money will go to those who need it the most.
The rhetoric is that parents have choice, but the reality is that the private schools choose. And often they choose not to accept some of the children who are the most difficult to educate.
In the end, she believes it will hurt more students than it will help. Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.